As the admin of a new Blooket Plus group plan, you now have access to powerful tools and reporting across your entire group. But before any of that data starts rolling in, the first step is inviting teachers to join your plan as members, giving them access to Blooket Plus. To add new group members, start by navigating to the new Group Plan tab once you've logged into your Blooket account as an admin. You'll see this appear on the left-hand navigation once your group plan is active. Once in, you'll be on the Manage Members tab of your group plan dashboard. This is where all member management happens. At the top of the page, you'll see how many seats or invites are available based on the size of your group plan. Just below that, you'll find a unique invite link generated specifically for your group plan. To invite teachers, simply copy this invite link and share it with the members you want to add. You can send this link via email, through your district messaging system, or however you normally communicate with your staff. Once a teacher signs into their Blooket account and clicks on that invite link, they're automatically added to your group plan. There's nothing else that they need to do. As soon as they join, they'll gain access to Blooket Plus features through your plan. By default, you as the admin are not a member of the plan, so follow these steps by opening that link in another tab to gain access to Blooket Plus too. Back on your group plan dashboard, you'll see new members populate into the member list. For each teacher, you can view their username, the email associated with their account, and the last time that they were active. As the admin, you can also take actions from this page, like viewing a teacher's sets or removing them from the group plan if needed. Once members are added, their activity will start being captured in your group plan reports. When you're ready to review usage and engagement, you can switch over to the Reports tab to see how your group is using Blooket over time. This includes monthly breakdowns of questions answered, games hosted, homework assigned, and student participation. But it all starts back on that Manage Members tab. Invite your teachers, get them connected, and let the group plan and Blooket Plus begin working for you.